Hello guys, welcome back. Today we will discuss about how to write an essay. Okay, so I'm taking here a specific topic. Okay, health and its importance in society. So how to write an essay? So there is a format for writing an essay in the graduate level. So if you follow the format only, you will get mark. Especially there is some predefined guidelines, specifications, word numbers, etc. If you are not following, you will not get mark. So while writing your essay, you have to follow the format, and I'll explain the format of essay through a specific topic. Here I've selected health and its importance in society. So for example, if you get a topic like write an essay on health and its importance in society for 1,000 words. Okay, how you will write that essay, that we are going to discuss in this video. Okay, how to write an essay. So whenever you're writing an essay, you have to follow some specific guidelines or some specific steps. Okay, so the specific steps of an essay contains an introduction, main body or body paragraph, conclusion, bibliography, reference. So whenever you are writing an essay, you have to keep this point in your mind. While writing an essay, you have to write an introduction. First you have to write a title page, then you can write the content. Then third thing is the main thing, that is introduction. So without introduction, if you write an essay, that is not that will not consider as a good essay, and at the same time you may lose your mark. So always write your essay with a good introduction. Introduction will always give a brief description about your essay. So while reading the introduction itself, the evaluator can understand, okay, the student knows something about this particular topic. So write an introduction. After introduction, you have to go to the main body, and the main body or body paragraph, you have to write detailedly about your essay. Okay, I mean, like, if for example, if the topic is health, means you have to write the factors affecting health and how health will affect and what can cause impairment in health, and everything you have to explain in the main body or body paragraph. After that, you have to go to the last stage, that is conclusion. Okay, in conclusion, you have to conclude like what you have written. You have to give a brief summary of your total description in conclusion. Then bibliography or references. Okay, in some places it is called as bibliography, and some places it is known as references. And references and bibliography will be based on some particular guidelines. Okay, for some universities it will be American Psychological Associations APA 7 or just APA. For some universities it might be like Oxford or Harvard definitions and Harvard referencing style. So follow the specific guidelines. So while writing an essay, please do read your specific learning outcomes or guidelines specifically, clearly, thoroughly. And once again, I'm repeating, for an essay, you have to add three important points, that is introduction, main body, conclusion, and apart from that, references and a title page. Okay, so if again I'm telling that if it is a 1,000-word essay, please strictly focus on that 1,000-word excluding references. Okay, so try to write, not try to write, you have to write 1,000 words excluding or apart from your references. So again I'm repeating you guys, you need an introduction, you need a main body or body paragraph, you need a conclusion, you need a reference, and of course you need a title page. Then now I'm going to take a particular topic, that is factors affecting health or health and its importance in society. So imagine your topic is health and its importance in society. How you will write that essay? Okay, so in this slide specifically I'm mentioning about the main body, I mean introduction of your essay. Okay, so first you have to write a title page. Okay, in title page you can mention your student IDs and your name and your branch, your department, whatever the information which is there to reveal your identity, that you can write in the title page. In second page you can write the content. Content means you can write introduction and so on, so contents or what are all the subheadings you have written in your main body, that you can add in your content page with page number. And after content page you can go to the main section. In main section, start your introduction. Okay, so in introduction part, definitely you have to write what is health. If your essay is about health and its importance, means definitely start your essay with definition of health. Okay, so define health. Okay, so you can write the WHO definition of health. Okay, or you can write other definitions which is available in journals, articles, textbooks, etc. But while writing your essay or while writing your content, please do rephrase your paragraphs. Okay, after taking the content from articles or journals or from books or wherever, okay, without changing the meaning, please rephrase your paragraph and write your index citation. Okay, so if in this what in the slide you can see how to write the index citations. Okay, and all these index citations must be reflected on your references also. Okay, so yeah, index citations will be like this. Okay, so if this definitions from World Health Organization's page, you can write the index citations like this. Okay, this yellow highlighted area is an example for index citation. Okay, so just what you have to do means you have to just write WHO, comma 1948, then close the bracket. So first session of your essay is introduction. In introduction, you have to define health, and also two more paragraph you have to add about health. What is health and importance of health in society, and always rephrase your paragraph and write, and also write your index citations after writing each paragraph. Okay, this is indirect index citation in text citations. Okay, you can write direct index citation or indirect index citation. In direct index citation, you will write the citation in the first, like according to WHO, like that you can start. That is direct citation. This is indirect citation. So after writing the paragraph, if you are what mentioning the citations or the reference, means that is called indirect index citation. While writing index citation, please do follow this format, guys. Okay, in bracket write the author. If there is no author name, this is a foundation, there won't be any author because it is done by a group of members, right? So you can write WHO, comma 1948 or 2023, whatever. So first you write the introduction. In introduction you add topics or points about what is health, importance of health in the society. Do rephrase your paragraph. After writing the paragraph, don't forget to write the index citation. Then after that you can go to the second section. Okay, that is main body. In the main body you have to explain in detail about the importance of health, etc, etc. Among that, one of the main point you have to add is factors affecting health. Okay, while factors affecting health session, you or while writing this session, you can add all these points. Okay, physical factors, emotional factors, psychological factors, social factors, environmental factors, cultural factors, okay, social class, peer group, geographical situations, ethnicity. These are all the basic factors. You must include these points under the factors affecting health. Okay, so why, if it imagine this is a 1,000 word essay, means definitely you have to add minimum 2 paragraph. Okay, or 1 paragraph with index citation. And also while writing, please rephrase your paragraph to avoid similarities. Obviously you are taking the content from articles, journals or book. Okay, so while taking the content, please don't write your content as it is. Okay, if you copy like that, you will caught for plagiarism or similarity. So take the content without changing the meaning. Please do rephrase the content and add it, and also write your index citation. Okay, and also you can use different type of websites and softwares to change the paragraph. In next slide I'll show you how to some very important and useful website for changing the paragraph, and as well also for checking the similarities. So always try to rephrase the paragraph to avoid the similarities or avoid plagiarism. All you know that we all know that plagiarism is a type of crime, right? So someone is writing something as it is, if you copy it, means what? It is a type of crime. Okay, this is my mobile. Okay, without my permission someone is taking my mobile, means that is called what? That is means what? It is a crime, right? Stealing. looting, right? So same way only someone's hard work, like years of hard work you are taking without their permission, okay, means that is called plagiarism. Okay, so while writing the second part of your essay, you have to add all the factors. Okay, you can add all these factors and write one paragraph each. Imagine this is a 1,000 word essay, means minimum one paragraph you have to add with index citation for all these things: physical, emotional, psychological, social, environmental, cultural, social class, peer group, geographical, and ethnicity. Okay, then next, okay, next thing you can write about what are all the health measures we can use to diagnose the condition of the patient, or health tools. Okay, so if the, just I'm focusing on one essay, that is health and importance of health. Okay, so these are all the possible points you can add in this essay. One, first in introduction you can define health. You can write a bit about, or description about, the importance of health in society. Secondly, you have to write about the factors affecting health. Okay, while writing the factors affecting health, you can write physical factors, psychological, social, and cultural factors. Apart from that, some other factors also I have told you, that also you have to add. Then third point which you can add is health measures. What type of health tool or measurement techniques we are using to identify the condition of the patient. Here you have to explain what is the meaning of health measure. Health measure is nothing but diagnostic tool which we are using to assess the condition of the patient. So along with that, you can write the validity of health measures, reliability of health measures, and use of health measures. So you can add all these points under this heading. So what is health measures? What is the meaning of health measures? What is the validity of health measures? Reliability of health measures, and use of health measures. All these points you have to add in your heading. That means in under the heading of health measures. Health measures is nothing but health tools or diagnostic tool. For example, like thermometer, sphygmomanometer, okay, BP apparatus, glucometer, okay, anxiety scale, health history collection, metastatus examination. Okay, all these things considering as diagnostic tool. All these tools are using to assess or measure the health status of the patient. Again I'm repeating, guys, always write the things in paragraph with in-text citation. Without in-text citation, without rephrasing, if you write something, you will quote for similarity and you will get caught for plagiarism. Then next, what point you can add means you have discussed about health measures, so you can add any two or few of the health measures and their advantages and disadvantages. So here I've taken two health measures for your understanding, that is thermometer and glucometer. So from the word itself, hope you understand the meaning of health measures. So thermometer is a diagnostic tool or a health measures which is using to check the temperature, right? So for thermometer there are advantages and disadvantages. So first you can write about thermometer. Under thermometer heading you have to write what is thermometer, use of thermometer, advantages of thermometer, disadvantages of thermometer. Then you can go to the next one. What is glucometer, use of glucometer, advantages of glucometer, disadvantages of glucometer. Okay, so these are all the points, I mean, you can add in your essay which is related to health and importance of health in society, or health, or define health, or describe about health, an essay about health. Okay, in these type of heading and headings, or in these type of essays, you can add these type of points. Okay, so this many things you have to make a 1,000 word essay. Okay, for example, I'm just one example I'm giving, guys. So while writing an essay, always add a in title page, content, introduction, main body, conclusion, bibliography or references. Okay, and write. How to write means write by rephrasing the paragraph. Take the content, you can take the content from any articles which is related to health and social care, or health, or any book, nursing, medical, psychology, whatever. Okay, so you can take the material, but after taking, please do rephrase. Okay, there are softwares available, so you can rephrase by using that. Otherwise your own grammar and vocabulary you have to use to rephrase the paragraph. Without rephrasing, if you copy and paste something, that is known as plagiarism, and you will get caught for similarity or plagiarism if it is a final assignment. Okay, so in this essay you can talk about define health, factors affecting health, health measures and explain detailedly about health measures. Okay, if the essay is about health and importance of health. If the essay is about something like caring technique, means the content will be different. But still you have to follow these guidelines: introduction, main body, conclusion, references. So I've told you to rephrase the paragraph after taking the content from the library or from books or articles. You have to rephrase. So this is a website, okay, Quillbot, okay. So if you use or by using this website, you can rephrase your paragraph easily, okay. So just take the content, paste it here, click here like paraphrase. Okay, when you click on this what this session, okay, automatically this content will get paraphrased and it will show here. Okay, after paraphrasing that, just copy that thing and paste here. Okay, this is another website called Grammarly Plagiarism Checker. Okay, this here you can copy and paste. Okay, after copying and pasting, what you have to do, scan, you have to click here in this green color session, that is scan for plagiarism. So when you click on that, this website will help you to find out is there any similarities are there in your content or not. If similarities are there, means you will get a it will pop up like plagiarism found, significant plagiarism found. You have to rephrase the paragraph. Then what you have to do, again you have to go back, you have to rephrase that paragraph, then again come back, copy and paste. Quillbot and Grammarly. Quillbot and Grammarly are very useful to rephrase and plagiarism for rephrasing and plagiarism checking. Okay guys, so this is about essay writing. Hope you understand guys. So again I'm repeating, while writing an essay, please don't forget to write your title page, content page. Okay, then you have to go to main heading, that is introduction. Under introduction, explain, give a brief description about the content. Okay, then you can go to the main body. In the main body, you have to explain each and everything detailedly. Please rephrase your paragraph, write in-text citations, then you can do the conclusion. Okay, in conclusion you have to give a brief description of what you have done. After conclusion, you have to go to what, you have to go to bibliography or references. There are specific guidelines for each universities and each colleges. Follow the guidelines. If APA means APA, you have to follow. Harvard means Harvard, you have to follow. In another video we will discuss how to do APA referencing. Okay, so this is about essay writing format. And please tick on the word count. If it is 1000, means excluding references, please tick on 1000 words. Okay, and in this video you have an example for essay writing. Okay, I've taken health and importance of health. Okay, if you're getting an essay about health and importance of health, you can use these points. Okay, you have to define health and write few or one paragraph about importance of health in society. Then in the main body you can write factors affecting health. You write all the factors what I have mentioned in this slides. Okay, then you can write about health measures. Okay, under health measures you write what is health measures and importance of health measures, what is validity, reliability of health measures. Health measures is nothing but health diagnostic tool. Then you have to mention two health measures like a thermometer or glucometer or sphygmomanometer or anxiety scale. Then write the advantages and disadvantages, and like that you can, and then you have to write a small conclusion and you can completely conclude your essay. At last you write references in a fresh page. Content, references and title page will be in different fresh pages. Okay, hope you understand guys. In next video we will discuss about other report writing or essay writing with other topic, and also we will discuss about APA 7 writing. Okay, hope you understand guys. Thank you.